You are welcome to Nature Nurture Hub, where your love for plants grows into a thriving garden of knowledge and beauty. Imagine stepping into your own garden and picking fresh, sun-ripened lemons, full of flavor, fragrance, and pure natural energy. Lemon, Citrus limon, is one of the most rewarding fruit plants any beginner gardener in the USA can grow. It is not just a beautiful evergreen tree with glossy leaves and fragrant blossoms, but also a living source of fresh, vitamin-rich fruit right outside your door. Whether you are growing it in your backyard, patio, balcony, or even indoors by a sunny window, a lemon tree brings beauty, aroma, and purpose into your life. Lemons thrive in warm, sunny environments and love consistent care. The more sunlight your lemon, citrus limon, receives, the better it will grow. A minimum of 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight daily is essential. In southern regions like California, Texas, Florida, and Arizona, lemon trees can stay outdoors year-round. In colder areas, they can be grown in large containers and moved indoors during winter, making them a perfect fruit plant for almost every state in the USA. The foundation of a healthy lemon tree begins with soil. Lemon, citrus limon, prefers well-draining soil that is slightly acidic. Heavy or clay soil must be avoided because it traps water and suffocates the roots. A good blend of garden soil, compost, sand, and perlite creates a light, breathable mix that promotes strong root development. Healthy roots mean a healthy, productive tree. One of the biggest secrets to success is following the correct watering routine for healthy roots. Lemon trees enjoy moisture, but they hate sitting in water. Overwatering is one of the most common mistakes beginners make. The perfect rule is simple: water deeply, but only when the top 2 inches of soil feel dry. For young lemon trees, watering 2 to 3 times per week in warm weather is ideal. For mature trees, 1 to 2 deep waterings per week is usually enough, depending on your climate. In winter, reduce watering to prevent root rot. Always water at the base of the tree, not on the leaves. Wet leaves can invite fungal diseases. Deep watering allows the roots to grow downward, creating a stronger and more drought-resistant plant. When your lemon, citrus limon receives the correct amount of water, you will notice vibrant dark green leaves and healthy new growth. Fertilizing is essential for lush growth and fruit production. Lemon trees are heavy feeders. They require a steady supply of nutrients, especially nitrogen for leafy growth and potassium for flower and fruit development. The best choice is a citrus-specific fertilizer or an organic blend designed for fruit trees. Feed your lemon tree every 4 to 6 weeks during the active growing season, spring through summer. Stop fertilizing in late fall and winter when growth slows down. A clear sign that your lemon tree needs fertilizer is pale or yellowing leaves. After proper feeding, the leaves should become rich green again. Adding compost or worm castings around the base of the tree also improves soil quality naturally over time. Pruning helps maintain shape, strength, and fruit quality. Lemon, citrus limon trees do not need heavy pruning, but light trimming makes a huge difference. Remove any dead, damaged, or crossing branches to improve air circulation. This helps prevent diseases and allows sunlight to reach all parts of the tree. The best time to prune is late winter or early spring before new growth starts. Never over-prune your lemon tree. Since lemons often grow on older wood, too much cutting can reduce fruit production. Simple shaping and cleaning is enough to encourage balanced, healthy expansion. Like all plants, lemon, citrus limon, can sometimes face challenges. The most common problems are yellowing leaves, curling leaves, pests, and lack of fruit. Yellowing leaves are often caused by either overwatering or nutrient deficiency. Curling leaves can be a sign of aphids, spider mites, or extreme temperature stress. Common pests on lemon trees include aphids, whiteflies, scale insects, and spider mites. These pests can be controlled naturally using neem oil, insecticidal soap, or a strong spray of water. Check the undersides of leaves regularly and treat early before the infestation spreads. Fungal problems such as root rot or citrus canker occur when there is too much moisture and poor air circulation. Always use well-drained soil, water correctly, and keep the area around the plant clean. Remove any infected leaves or branches immediately to prevent spread. If your lemon, citrus limon, is healthy but not producing fruit, it may be due to lack of sunlight, over-fertilizing with nitrogen, or a very young tree. Most lemon trees start producing good fruit after 2 to 3 years. Patience, consistency, and proper care will always reward you. For people living in colder states, container growing is an excellent option. Choose a large pot with drainage holes and fill it with citrus-friendly soil. Place it outside in full sun during spring and summer, and move it indoors before the first frost. Indoors, place it near a south-facing window, or use a grow light to maintain healthy growth. A lemon, citrus limon tree is not just about fruit, it's about lifestyle. Its blossoms perfume the air, its leaves shine with life, and its fruit connects you to nature in the most refreshing way. Each time you harvest a lemon, you are enjoying the reward of your patience, care, and dedication. If you love learning about seasonal flowering plants, gardening tips, and nature care, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Nature Nurture Hub, your home for year-round garden inspiration. Let's keep growing together.